Hey traders, Raghee here, and this is of course, holiday shortened week, but a couple of things are forming that give us some more aggressive ways to take advantage of the surge in equities, and that is the propulsion. That is the 13 exponential moving average and the 21 exponential moving average that you see here on my TradeStation charts with the yellow and the green dots. Okay, now these represent an 8 crossing the 13 and an 8 crossing the 21 EMA, and that's why these dots light up, and they're interacting with lows in a very specific way, so we don't get a lot of false starts and stops the way moving average can cross and crisscross and give us a lot of false signals. We use the lows of the candles as a filter of sorts. Nonetheless, where these moving averages sit can in many ways be considered like a dot to dot. If you just connect the dots here, that's where the 13 EMA would be on the chart. And if you were to connect these, this is where the 21 EMA would be on the chart. All right. Now, once these are lit up, these are what I consider self-correcting sort of smart EMAs. If we pull back to the dot, it's basically pulling back to the 13 or the 21 exponential as long as the dots are still there. And this gives us an interesting and aggressive window for entry in this market that seems to have really taken on the uptrend again. It's gone double green. This is not just the case with the ES, but the YM as well, and the RTY. You'll notice the dots are here as well on the YM. On the RTY, no dots, so no discussion about the 13 EMA. Those of you that are familiar with my 2-dot red 8 EMA entry, gorgeous one here on the RTY, and we are still waiting on the NAS to get with the program. So the dots really don't represent an opportunity here, okay? Look at the dots, think about more aggressive EMAs in places where we've gone double green, and we have at least 5 of them. Enjoy your truncated holiday trading week. Don't overtrade. Next week's a brand new week. Fine tune those watch lists, and this is one way you can do it. Fine tune the watch list, find the double greens, and find those more aggressive levels. That might be something we can use going into early next week. I'll see you in the next update.